Welcome to this video. So today I'm going to show you a stock which I have taken an entry. Okay, so that is Indian Bank stock. So now we are at the monthly time frame. So in the monthly time frame we can see, so it is forming a ascending trend line. See, the trend line is moving high, moving in the ascending pattern, and this particular stock is traded within this trend line, and at some point it has broken out. Okay, so before this breakout, it almost touched the trend line thrice, and at the fourth time it tried to break out. Okay, but if you see this red candle, okay, which says the breakout is not that strong. Okay, so we should not be taking any entry here. Ideally, what we should do after this big red candle is we should wait until the stock breaks this red candle. Then only we need to take an entry. So now we will see this in the weekly time frame. So in the weekly time frame, we can observe one more thing, that is it is moving in the sideways, and this sideways is within a channel pattern. See, connect the dots. Okay, you will see a channel pattern. So this has happened for almost for more than a year. Here you see for 34 days, so it is more than a year. It is in the channel pattern, and at some point this channel has been broken out. Okay, now I'll switch to daily time frame. Okay. Here you see, so this is the channel pattern, and this channel pattern is broken here. Okay. However, I did not take any entry at this point because I found the stock uh, during this, around this red candle I found the stock. Okay. Then I had waited, so I was just waiting to see a breakout of this green candle, or at least it should reach this level. Okay. So I was waiting for some, I started waiting, and from the next day onwards, it started making the forming the green candle. And see the green candle momentum. Okay, see the zone. Okay, in next 10 days, it moved beyond this green candle, and I exactly took my entry here. Okay, and my stop loss was originally placed below the zone. This is where I kept my stop loss. Now I have adjusted it based on the stock movement. So I trailed my stop loss. Okay. So now my stop loss is at this level. So after the entry has been made, just for few days, it moved in the sideways. I'll not say it is downward. I'll just say this is sideways. It moved in sideways for some time, and then it started moving steadily in the green zone. See the momentum. It started moving steadily in the green zone. Okay, so it moved around, yeah, 33 percentage. My target, I kept my target at 40 percentage. It almost moved 33 percentage, and then see what has happened. It immediately fall down. Okay, so this is a very impulsive move. So it's fallen down around 14 percentage. So initially I was in 33 percentage profit, and then 14 percentage is gone, and that 14 percentage is very brutal. See, in just 4 days or 5 days, 14 percentage is gone. Okay, so basically what a beginner used to do. So when I was a beginner or a new beginner who comes to stock market now, what we used to do is we used to panic after seeing these red candles. Okay, then what we will do, around this red candle or at some consolidation here, we would try to sell the stock. Mostly at this green candle, we will feel like after the bearish move, it started, it is somehow moving in the green zone, right? So we will somehow sell the stocks here. Okay, this is a panic sell. Ideally we should not be doing any panic sell after we took the entry. So we should do close the trade only at two places. One is, if it hits your target, we need to close it. In case if it hits our SL, we can close it. There is no other way of closing the stocks. Okay. So and then you see what's happening. It corrected for some time and then it started moving in the green zone again. In 4 5 days, it somehow captured the missing losses. Okay. And one more thing I'll show you. I do not believe in Fibonacci much, but what I'm seeing is, see, so this is the lowest point. I'm just connecting it to the highest point. So it retraced to 50 percentage. Seems to be Fibonacci is also working. Okay, so it retraced to 50 percentage and then it started moving in the green zone. And I'll show you the entry as well in Zerodha. Okay, so I took the trade on 8/12 on August itself. I have taken the trade. This is the price 672.30. 672.30. In the recent days, I do see banking stocks are showing good momentum, but I have taken this trade on August itself. So it's almost 5 months since I took the trade. Okay. So I just made this video to show you guys that we should not be doing any panic sell. Okay. I'll keep you all posted with the final update of final outcome of this trade. Thank you all. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.